Hello, good evening. Welcome to AKS. Today we'll be discussing two topics. One is CRISPR-Cas9 technology, gene editing tool. The other one is biosimilar. So please note, with respect to CRISPR, already this question was asked in mains, but we may expect a question covering various topics like gene editing, gene therapy. In that way, this particular topic is important. So when we talk about CRISPR, if you talk about CRISPR system, like what it contains, like guide RNA, you take Cas9, which is a nucleus, which also we call it as it's going to cut DNA. It acts like a scissor. So we need to discuss all these things and why this gene editing tool is so important or so effective when compared to that of other tools that need to be discussed. And when you talk about CRISPR, if you expand CRISPR, that is clustered, regular, interspaced, short, palindromic repeats. Palindrome. What is palindrome? For example, you take mom, M-O-M, mom. You read from left to right or right to left, it is same, M-O-M. So that is called a palindrome. So we call them as palindromic repeats. So what are the applications of CRISPR? Like, please note, it is used in genetic research, agriculture, then therapeutic cloning, medical treatment. So various applications are there. Then what are the concerns of this CRISPR technology? Like you talk about germline editing, like we can also refer designer vagaries with respect to this. So what are the concerns and what the government should do with respect to this CRISPR technology, whether we have to ban germline editing or not. So all these things need to be discussed under CRISPR, a very effective genetic tool. Clear? And already you may be aware that if you take Jennifer Doudna and if you take Sharpenter, they've got Nobel Prize on chemistry in 2020 with respect to this. Yeah, right. Then biosimilar. So what is a biosimilar? What is a biologic? What is generic? What are the similarities among them and what are the differences? And why there is need for these biosimilars? And whether biosimilars and generic drugs, whether both are same or different. So we need to discuss all these things and why there is need for biosimilars. When already generic medicines are available, why there is need for biosimilars? And when any company can manufacture these biosimilars or generics, and all these things need to be discussed. And if you take, we need to discuss with respect to the World Health Organization, pre-qualifying the first biosimilar drug on breast cancer, that is trastuzumab. Okay, so when you take breast cancer, please note, around 630,000 people have died on that, and 2.1 million people were affected with this in the year 2018. So very important topic. So we need to discuss these two drugs. Okay, biosimilar, another one is CRISPR. Okay, so thank you very much.